A smartphone like you have never seen before, 100 days with the fully charged in normal standby mode. It's not a problem for incredible 22,000 mAh battery, flagship gaming experience, not a problem. Feel free to throw your Samsung Galaxy model in the trash because Tank is coming. Unihertz Tank comes with a top industrial toughness rate. It can stand up to any extreme environment, even the real battlefield. Do you want a smartphone like this? Are you interested in what this is? If yes, be sure to check out this Unihertz Tank video review. Okay guys, let's start with unboxing our smartphone. In the box we find the user manual. This is our Unihertz Tank, we will put it aside. I'm so glad to see this 66-watt super fast charging is here. For this beast we need a lot of power to charge it. And this is USB Type-C to USB-C cable. This type of cable is the best for charging USB-C devices as well as data transfer. This was the contents of this box. Now let's take a look at our smartphone. Unihertz is truly unique company that produce really specific smartphones both in terms of design and functionality. And really guys, believe me, this is a real thing among smartphones. I have really seen many different models and brands, but this beauty is truly something special. Just look at how it looks, strong and muscular. This phone is not for little girls, this is a machine for real men. First impressions, it's great to see a rugged device in a color other than full black. Secondly, on a paper, this device packs a seriously well up in terms of price to performance ratio. Switching from color to build quality, let me say that the Unihertz Tank shows how premium a device is in this category of rugged phones. The backplate has a nice metallic textured armor. Everything around it is made of polycarbonate fixed with screws in the phone's construction. Okay, I know the first thing that catches your eyes is this large LED lamp. This is something I have never seen on any smartphone before, and it can be really useful. It is a flashlight with 1200 lumens and there is 5 modes to use. In the frame above we can see a powerful 180 megapixel triple AI cameras from a flagship segment. With the option of infrared night recording, there is also a classic LED flash for photography. In the middle of the phone it is a logo and below it is a very loud speaker with hi-fi sound quality. On the bottom side of the phone we find this rubber cover, under which we find a 3.5mm jack input for the headset and the USB Type-C port for charging. On the upper side of the phone we find another interesting feature, which is the infrared port with which we can use our smartphone as a remote control for our home devices such as television, hi-fi, air conditioning or everything else. Next to it we find a SIM card slot which can be used for 2 SIM cards at the same time. Let's move to the side of the phone. We find these volume buttons and a power button with a fingerprint recognition, all protected in a metal frame that is additionally secured with the screws. On the opposite side we find 2 buttons. The first one is used to start this large LED lamp and the red one below it is a programmable button which we can start the applications or options in the phone that we want. From the front we find a large scratch-resistant 6.81-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels with 90 Hz refresh rate with a 397 pixel per inch, in which is the corner we find this excellent 32 megapixel selfie camera with the face unlock option. I have to admit that I have never seen such a quality display on any rugged smartphone until today. Just look at this, the corners are so sharp and clean. It really looks like it's AMOLED screen from a Samsung phone, and it's so fast and fluid at 90 Hz. It's really amazing how Unihertz gives such a good display in this phone category. Since this is a rugged phone, I expect reasonably decent scratch resistance during day-to-day use. However, unlike the other Chinese smartphone makers, this one does have a factory installed screen protector, which is a great right from the start. As far as the screen brightness goes, I had zero issues with the outdoor visibility. As you can see, it is excellent and reliable in all conditions. It is a large and premium quality screen suitable for media consumption, whatever you're watching videos on YouTube, playing some games or browsing the social media. Take my word for it, this display is a really high quality, a really rest for my tired eyes. Running the software side in Unihertz TANK, it's based on the pure Android 12, so we enjoy giving it simple and easy to navigate interface, simply and recognizable, support for NFC and Google Pay. It has the usual all Google apps pre-installed, as well as some Unihertz apps such as the always useful Toolbox or app for using infrared controllers on some devices. We also have Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi and dual 4G LTE with VoLTE. Everything you want you get on this phone. The quality during phone conversation or by sending mobile data and connecting to the Wi-Fi network really work without any problems, just as it should for a phone like this. Right away, I'd like to say that I like the performance on this phone. Thanks to the heavier G99 chipset with the Mali G57 are perfect. All tasks and apps run smoothly and quickly without any lag. Multitasking is a breeze as well, thanks to the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage for all applications and multimedia. So the performance on this phone is really excellent. This smartphone focuses on a multi-day use and is equipped with a set of specifications and features that other smartphones cannot offer, making this phone a really exciting experience of use. If you like playing games, you'll enjoy the popular titles in the Google Play Store in their highest storage settings. There really isn't a game that this powerful device can't run. The Helio G99 is fast enough to handle games like Free Fire and PUBG Mobile at high FPS. The GPU score is faster than the MediaTek Helio G99, which means that there will be a smooth gaming experience on this chipset. The GPU is locked at 850 MHz. The shading units are also 32, which will help it rendering the graphic in gaming. This chip enables great gaming all day, not just one day, but several. As we mentioned at the beginning, Unihertz TANK is equipped with the largest battery so far in the mobile phone category that can last a week. With this incredible 22,000 mAh battery, you can always enjoy watching movies, playing games or browsing websites for hours and hours. So we have figures 1800 hours of standby time, 150 hours of calling time. And to refuel TANK massive battery capacity by its 66 watts fast charging, you need to wait for a short while. 77% is reached in just 3 hours. I recommend charging it overnight while you are sleeping, and when you take it off of the charger you will have a peace of mind for days and days. Another impressive thing is this LED flashlight that we find from the back. These camping lights have a 500 LED lamp beads and 5 modes of use, and it can be great help to you in situations where there is no absolutely any light, such as in the forest or in some closed dark spaces. This is definitely another world record. Unihertz made a phone with the strongest LED lamp ever made on the phone. Right above the lamp we find the powerful flagship cameras, 180 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel night vision camera, 2 megapixel macro camera with the option of 4K HDR video recording, and the cameras are really very good. Many more expensive smartphones don't have them. The colors are not too saturated and the images looks really natural. The AI function makes them high quality for capturing memories or posting to social media. What kind of photos and videos we managed to take with our Unihertz tank and how they look, well, let's see them now. Judging by its appearance, should I mention that this phone is water, dust and drop resistant. IP68, IP69, MIL-STD 810H certified tank comes with a top industrial toughness rate. It can stand up to any extreme environment, even the real battlefield. Unihertz TANK has the best resistance to water, dust and falls, and it's tough enough to be survived in various harsh environments, makes it trustworthy outdoor companion. So let's now remind ourselves what the main features of this impressive phone are. In addition to the appearance itself, which will not leave anyone indifferent, there is also a wonderful 90Hz screen, which is a truly top-notch. Phenomenal 180 megapixel main camera with the night infrared recording, powerful rear LED lamp with a power of 1200 lumens, never been seen before, with the 22,000 mAh battery that can be used for 100 days with fully charged in normal standby mode, as the company claims. Fully armored and resistant housing to all weather and working extreme conditions. I would really recommend this smartphone to anyone who travels a lot and does not have the opportunity to charge this phone often. The Unihertz TANK is the perfect companion on all long trips. All in all, I can say that Unihertz TANK will definitely not disappoint you in any way. I remind you that the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new Unihertz TANK today at the promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this unique smartphone. That's probably all for now. Thank you for your attention and see you soon with some new video. Bye.